In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your profile visibility on Fresha. Whether you're looking to go incognito for a while or simply need to control who can see your profile, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to do with ease. Let's go ahead and start by heading over to your Fresha dashboard. This is your main hub where all your details and settings are organized, so it's important to know your way around here. Take a moment, get yourself comfortable, and log in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice either a small photo of your initials or your profile photo there. This little icon is your gateway to personal settings, and you'll want to click on it. Doing so opens up a menu that gives you access to various options. In this menu, you'll find Personal Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to adjust various personal details and login preferences, essentially customizing your digital space on Fresha. It's always good to know how to navigate these settings so you have control over your profile and security. Now, under Personal Settings, you'll be able to see your options for editing your personal info, as well as your login security. For our purposes today, let's focus on adjusting your online profile visibility. What we want to do here is to make your profile hidden from potential searches. To do that, click on Personal Info. This section reveals more details about what you've shared and allow you to manage it effectively. You'll see an option titled Online Profile Visibility. This is what controls who can see your profile and how accessible it is to others. To hide your profile, simply click on Hide Profile. This will instantly inform the platform of your desire to become less visible. However, Fresha will require you to confirm this choice, so you'll need to click Hide Profile again when prompted. This confirmation step ensures that you're sure about making this change and that it wasn't done accidentally. And there you have it. Your profile is now hidden from view. Knowing how to manage your visibility settings is crucial for maintaining privacy and managing how you appear to potential clients or other users on the platform. Taking these steps can help you feel more secure and in control of your personal information. Thanks for joining me on this easy journey through Fresha's settings. If you ever want to reverse this action and make your profile visible again, you can simply follow the same steps and choose to unhide your profile. Remember, it's all about maintaining the level of privacy and publicity that works best for you. Be sure to take charge of your online presence, and as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.